Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this crochet glass cover that allows you to easily slide your glasses in and close it neatly for safe storage. It's a simple beginner friendly project and I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow along from start to finish. So let's begin with the tutorial now. Okay, so the item that I've used for this project is a medium weight 100% acrylic yarn, and for the crochet hook it's of 2.5 mm size. And regarding the color selection for this project, I have focused on choosing colors that have a clear contrast so the design stands out beautifully. Start by taking color A and make a slip knot on your hook. Now chain 22 stitches using color A. This will be acting as our foundation chain. Once we are done making the foundation chain, skip the first 5 chains and now work 1 double crochet each in each of the next 3 chains, making a total of 3 double crochets. That's our second double crochet. That's the third. After doing this, next we have to skip 1 chain, then chain 1 and again work 3 double crochets in the next 3 chains. That is 1 double crochet in each chain. Work your pattern until you reach the end of the row, and in the final chain place 1 double crochet in the last stitch to complete the row. Okay, so finishing off this row by doing chain 1 and then the last double crochet in the last chain. Okay, now chaining 1 and cut off the yarn. Now we'll be switching color at this point. So here I am now going to join color B in the corner space. Attach your new yarn in any corner. From the corner you have to chain 4. This counts as our first double crochet. In the same corner space, work 2 more double crochets. After double crochets are done, now chain 3 and then again in the same corner space make 3 double crochets. That's 1. As I'm working with color B, I'm also going to carry the extra yarn along and crochet over it. Okay. After completing this, chain 1 and then in the next space work 3 double crochets. Chain 1 again and continue this pattern across. Just remember, for every corner of this round, you will repeat 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet, and rest of the chain spaces will only have 3 double crochets. As you remember, our 3 double crochet in the start were left for this corner, so I am completing that and then finishing off this round. So that's 3, and then chaining 3 and doing a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now we are going to change to color C. Join the new yarn in any corner space, and from that corner you have to chain 4. Now this chain 4 counts as our first double crochet. In the same corner space, work 2 more double crochets. Now chain 3 and in that same corner space make 3 double crochets. So each corner will have 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. After completing the corner, chain 1 and in the next space work 3 double crochet and then chain 1. Continue this pattern all around. 3 double crochets in each space separated by 1 chain, and in all 4 corners repeat 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. If you're having any difficulty understanding the video, you can always follow the written pattern mentioned on your screen. It will guide you step by step. I'll complete the remaining part and I'll meet you at the end. Finishing off with the last set of 3 double crochets in the last corner, doing 1 chain and then doing a slip stitch in the 4th chain that I had made as a first double crochet. Now we are going to change to color D. Join the new yarn in any of the corner space, and from that corner we have to do chain 4. Now this chain 4 will also count as our first double crochet. In the same corner space work 2 more double crochets and then chain 3, and in that same corner space make 3 double crochets. This round will also be same as that of the previous one. Each corner will have 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, and the center chain spaces will be having 3 double crochets separated by 1 chain each. Okay, so I'll complete this round and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so I have reached the end of this round, and now to end it I am just doing a chain 1 and just do a slip stitch in the 4th chain that is acting as a first double crochet, and cut off the extra piece of yarn. And now our one piece of our glass case is ready, and we have to make 2 of these. Now that one piece is complete, we are going to make another piece exactly the same way. Now place both pieces together with the right sides facing outward and the edges aligned properly. Insert your hook through both the layers at the corner, and first you have to chain 2. Okay, so that chain 2 will be acting as our first single crochet. So 1 and 2, and then you have to do one single crochet more. Okay, so in the opening corner work 2 single crochets to give it a neat and smooth edge. Continue placing one single crochet in each stitch across the side. I'll be completing this side and then I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so when you reach the bottom corner, make 3 single crochets in that corner stitch to help it turn nicely without pulling. Then continue your single crochets along the bottom. Again in the bottom corner work 3 single crochets. Okay, so now we are going to create the strap holder and the strap. So at the upper corner, insert your hook through both panels and make 2 single crochets in that corner, same as that you are doing for the other corners. And next continue working in only one panel and make 2 single crochets in that same upper corner stitch. Now keep working single crochet stitches along the edge. Now when we reach the chain space, we'll create the small loop that will hold the strap. Okay, so here in that space I'll make 5 chains and then I'll insert my hook back into the next chain space and make 1 single crochet to secure the loop. Now continue placing single crochet stitches along the edge as before. In this last chain space, I will be putting 2 single crochets and I'll be turning my work by placing a single crochet like this. See, I'm just putting it in this first space here like this. I'll put a single crochet and then I'll just turn my work, and then in this chain space of my second panel I'll put 2 single crochets. and then I'll continue placing single crochet stitches along the edge as before. When you reach the point where you want the strap to begin, I want my strap to begin in somewhere in the center because the loop was on the other side of the panel in this position only. So I'll just start by doing 50, 60 or 70 chains depending on how long you want the strap. Once you have your desired length, attach the strap back to the same stitch using a slip stitch. And once again continue placing single crochet stitches along the edge as before. Chain 1 and just cut off the extra piece of yarn. Secure your yarn, cut and weave in the ends, like this. And that's how you make this beautiful crochet glass case cover. I love how practical and stylish it turned out, and the strap makes it even more convenient to carry. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more easy crochet projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, happy crocheting!